These are Tibetan kindergarten children dressed in Chinese uniform, marching under the Chinese flag, carrying imitation rifles in a simulated combat drill.
But this isn't a leak. China's own United Front Work Department published these photos from a kindergarten in Sona, a Tibetan town near India, praising it as national defense and ethnic unity education. The goal? To instill in Tibetan children a sincere love for the party, the country, as well as a deep commitment to defending the border.
To put it simply, they are training Tibetan children, before they can even read, to see themselves as soldiers of the state that has occupied and colonized their homeland. Militarizing 5-year-olds, it's indoctrination, and it's just one of China's broader efforts to eradicate Tibetan identity.
Today, China has torn over 1 million Tibetan children as young as 4 years old from their families and into a vast network of colonial boarding schools.
And now, China's recently approved ethnic unity law ensures that no Tibetan child can escape this fate, baking years of assimilation policies like colonial boarding schools into permanent law. What they once praised in this kindergarten is now the law of the land.
Like children everywhere, Tibetan children have the right to learn and dream, in the care of families and culture that love them.
China is showing us exactly what they're doing, and they're proud of it. But Tibetans inside of Tibet, at great personal risk, are resisting this erasure every single day. We must stand with them.
Share this video, demand the abolition of China's colonial boarding schools inside of Tibet.